In this video, we're diving deep into the LYFANOE Ultrasound Fat Reduction and Far Infrared Blood Sugar Balance Wristband, a product that's been gaining attention online with some pretty bold promises. It claims to help you lose weight, manage diabetes, and improve blood circulation using a combination of ultrasound and far infrared technology all packed into a small bracelet you wear on your wrist. The idea sounds appealing: burn fat and balance your blood sugar without effort, diets, or workouts. But when we take a closer look at what's really going on, things start to get questionable. First off, the scientific basis behind these claims is extremely weak. There's little to no real clinical evidence proving that simply wearing a bracelet can melt fat or regulate blood sugar levels. Secondly, there are obvious red flags that suggest this product might not be as revolutionary as it sounds. From fake celebrity endorsements to exaggerated claims of effectiveness, the marketing around this bracelet is filled with typical scam tactics. The descriptions of the technology used are vague and confusing, often misusing scientific terms to sound more convincing. On top of that, the so-called proof in the form of before and after photos and certificates appears highly questionable. Many of the images are either heavily edited or too blurry to be trusted, and the certificates don't link to any verifiable health authorities. That said, we're not here to say it's a total scam or completely useless. It may offer some minor placebo effect or make you feel more aware of your health habits. But based on the evidence available and the way it's being marketed, it's safe to say this wristband doesn't live up to its promises. It's not a definite scam, but it's definitely not a miracle solution either. If you're serious about losing weight or managing your health, your time and money are probably better spent on proven methods like proper diet, exercise, and professional medical advice.